Meaning of Frosties.
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 Frosties. Frosties is a term that can refer to a couple of different things depending on the context. One common usage is as a brand name for a type of breakfast cereal that is marketed towards children, known for its crunchy texture and sweet flavor. In some parts of the world, Frosties may also be a slang term for cocaine, which is a highly addictive and illegal stimulant drug that can have dangerous effects on the body and mind. It is important to understand the context in which the term Frosties is being used in order to accurately interpret its meaning.